Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm back outside Krakow International Airport here in Poland. Going to embark on the last leg of my journey in Poland, and that's up north, about an hour travelling on Ryanair to the city of Gdansk for my final Christmas market 2023. I'm just going to go through security now, get out the cold, and I'll see you when we land in Gdansk. I'm at, yet again, another Christmas market, but this time I'm in Poland. It's a small Christmas market and I'm in Gdansk. If you've never been here before, it's a beautiful little city north of Poland. Let's have a little look around their Christmas market. Well, I did get told it was a fairly small market, but compare this to Warsaw, this is quite big.
I nie decydowałam. On tak... Ty jesteś jednak.
I wish I had brushed up on my Polish because I haven't got a clue what this is. It's some sort of kebab, so I'm going to tuck into it and see what it's like. Can't work the meat out. Tastes like pork, sort of pork, I think. Well, I'm bound to have Polish viewers. Tell me what I'm eating. It's a kebab with onion. I can work that one out. But the meat itself, it's very chewy. Dead tasty, but very chewy. I think it's pork. I did try and ask what meat it was on the kebab, but she didn't understand a single word I was saying. And that makes two of us. It is nice though. 49 zlotys. I'm trying to work out what I'm upside. About £10. Well, I managed to finish the kebab and I've been wanting to try a bratwurst, so I'm going to give it a go. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to eat this on top of the kebab. See the size of it? Wish me luck. In case you wonder what's going on, there's a stuffed moose on top of one of the stalls talking to us.
Be happy and
Only in
have a
Poland.
wonderful time in our beautiful city, Gdansk. Want to know all about Gdansk?
I'm trying my best with this one. I'm giving it a good go.
Łokiłek! Łokiłek! Suchar numer 4.
It is nice when I'm stuffed.
Na więcej. O! Łoś mielony!
20 zlotys.
No to suchar numer 5. Nie mądry.
So,
O!
about 450.
Zastanów się, zastanów.
About 450.
8 razy
20
nie
zlotys for the
odpowiesz.
bratwurst.
No.
You get a corn and tomato sauce with it as well. As I said, these markets, doesn't matter where you go, whether it's in the UK or in Europe, they all rip it off. You've got to do it. It's Christmas. All you can smell as you're walking around is the mulled wine, but I don't really fancy one. They've been stewing all day long. There's probably not even one little bit of alcohol left in them.
Czy jest to niebieski, czerwony czy czarny?
Niebieski.
A jaka jest twoja odpowiedź?
Też niebieski.
Też niebieski. Czy niebieski też co jest w tym, co jest w moim pudełku, ok? Ja będę dawał małe podpowiedzi. Państwo mogą też tam dorzucić swoje grosze, ale daję już też które ubieramy na święta. Choinka. A ty jaki masz jakiś pomysł? Czy choinka? Poczęstunek od firmy Bedel, która nam zasponsorowała. Oczywiście tu dla Ciebie jeszcze, to może tutaj prosimy już albo herbatę. Proszę bardzo, jeszcze herbatka. Proszę bardzo. Dziękuję bardzo. No zapraszam dwie kolejne. Jeszcze jedno, potem przejdziemy do podstawy, ale powróci jeszcze do sceny. Jak macie na imię?
Well, this market might not be as big as Krakow's, but it's certainly a lot bigger than Warsaw's and a lot busier. This is going to be my last Christmas market for 2023. I'm flying back home tomorrow. So give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And of course, put them comments down below. And I'm going to take this opportunity to wish all my viewers a happy Christmas and of course a prosperous new year for 2024. I'm going to love you, leave you from Gdansk here in Poland. I'm off. See you in the next video. And bye for now.